Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A pergola can transform your outdoor space into a living area that offers shade, privacy, and comfort for all your outdoor relaxing and entertaining. Pergolas are an easy way to add a designated space to your backyard for dining, relaxing, and entertaining. Place a pergola in your yard to cover an outdoor kitchen or to create a cozy seating area that's partially shaded from the sun. You can decorate a pergola with hanging plants, outdoor curtains for privacy, or string lights overhead to add a festive atmosphere. Add beauty and function inspired by one of our pergola ideas. A pergola is an outdoor structure consisting of vertical posts or pillars and a partially open roof of lattice or boards. Some pergolas are freestanding and some are attached to a house or garage. They give an outdoor space some visual structure, delineate zones for sitting and/or dining, and block some, though not all, sunlight. To complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of 23 best outdoor pergola ideas for cozy and stylish living space to inspire you for your next project. One, get decked out. A pergola can transform a basic wooden deck into a stunning outdoor space. To add additional shade and a natural element to the design, dress up the structure's supports and slats with climbing vines. Hang outdoor string lights from the pergola to make alfresco dinners even more enjoyable. 2. Connect the pergola to the house. This pergola is attached to the house to create a convenient shaded oasis just outside the back door. It extends the roof outward to stretch the shade under the eaves. Integrate the structure into your home's exterior using similar materials and colors found elsewhere. These unique rocking chairs add an updated look to the outdoor space, creating a comfortable area in which to sit and enjoy the greenery. 3. Introduce plants and greenery. Accessorize a pergola to make an already charming spot even more inviting. Line the pergola's perimeter with containers planted with bright blooms. For extra interest, choose flowering vines, such as morning glory, that will grow up and around the pergola. Hang a pendant light above your dining or seating area so you can continue enjoying the space after dark. 4. Combine a pergola and trellis. Combine a pergola with trellis screens to transform your deck into a private retreat. A pergola provides shade overhead to make seating areas more comfortable, while a trellis can partially block views for more privacy. Choose trellis and pergola ideas with narrow openings and train vines to grow through them to add to the privacy and shade. The white trellis is a crisp contrast to the brick walls. 5. Incorporate existing landscaping. If you have a spot in mind for your pergola, consider existing landscape elements before you start building. Luckily, pergola ideas can be flexible and tweaked to best suit your space and needs. In this yard, a tree supplies ample shade above a basketweave brick patio, so the pergola's roof was built around it. A paneled back wall painted sage green with a small oval window affords privacy. 6. Emphasize decorative details. Some pergola ideas are both decorative and functional. This seaside home, which mixes Cape Cod and Shaker styles, offers a lesson in how to use a pergola to accent the architecture of a home. Textural materials on the exterior repeat in the pergola design, and the structure provides a welcoming, softening transition between home and deck areas. The pergola also draws attention to the second-story balcony. 7. Designate zones for activities. A pergola can stand independently or work well with another outdoor structure, such as a patio or deck. Its placement can help delineate various zones for activities you do in your outdoor space. For example, this pergola idea helps delineate a lounge area and, for additional seating, incorporates a built-in bench shaded by climbing vines. 8. Pick a materials palette for your outdoor space. pergolas add additional structure and scale. Here, the massive beams of this pergola fit in with the substantial stucco fireplace. The dark-stained pergola is the same color as the wood of the high-top table, where corrugated metal adds another interesting high-impact material to the mix. 9. Build a private oasis. Although many pergolas have 4 open sides, adding lattice panels offer privacy without blocking light, breezes, and views. Adirondack chairs painted in an earthy green color contrast with the traditional columns. All the green in the plantings and chairs keeps the pergola feeling cool even on the warmest days. 10. Transition from indoors to outdoors. Pergolas are an excellent way to ease the transition from house to outdoor spaces. Here, the style and color of the twin pergolas over the pool and outdoor kitchen tie with the home's architecture. Closer spacing of the roof boards means this pergola offers more of a shield from the sun. 11. Keep it simply pretty. Even a small pergola idea adds an attractive accent to a deck or patio, bringing an interesting background to an otherwise plain exterior facade. Here, a wooden trellis and lattice walls act as a backdrop for the seating space, which is easily accessible from the house through sliding doors. Choosing similarly toned wood furnishings keeps the area looking cohesive. 12. Hang outdoor curtains. Combined with the structure of a pergola, fabric curtains can shield an outdoor space from sunlight or unwanted views while adding a luxe feel. Outdoor curtains can be hung between the pergola's posts and pulled across the openings if needed. These curtains have tiebacks to keep them open. Use fabric designed for outdoor use to avoid color fading or weather damage. 13. Add a pergola with a roof. While the roof of the average pergola is at least partially open to the sky, they can also be integrated into the house's roof structure. Here, shingles cover the top of the pergola, offering complete shade beneath the narrow porch structure. In addition, colors used on the pergola supports pick up on details in the home's window trim. 14. Include an arched arbor. This charming structure mixes trellis, arbor, and pergola ideas into one. The resulting construction forms a lovely entrance to this cottage garden side space, where a potting shed and birdbath are found. Narrow seating nooks offer restful spots or can be used to add potted plants to the design. The pergola's overhead spacing offers room enough for a flowering vine, like bougainvillea or climbing rosesto, further enhance the cottage feel of the landscaping. 15. Install a garden focal point. When tucked among other landscaping, a pergola can become both a destination and a focal point in a garden. Here, a wooden pergola with a peaked roof and arched details shades a charming garden bench. A few colorful planted containers help to soften and disguise the structure's base. 16. Paint the pergola. A pergola in a color that contrasts with its background adds visual punch to an outdoor space. Here, the white vertical columns contrast with the wooden roof slats and brick fireplace frame the seating area. Stained wood slats across the pergola's roof offer a more naturalistic complement to the landscape. The brick fireplace makes this covered space a place to enjoy even in chilly weather. 17. Try something different. Although space and budget might be constraints, pergola designs are generally open to interpretation. You can customize the structure with various materials, finishes, shapes, and other choices. Here, 2 layers roof create a more dynamic shape, while columns lend formality that's in tune with the detailing on the rails of the patio space. 18. Lean toward contemporary. The outlines of this modern pergola offer structure and a boundary between the paved exterior space and the rest of the landscape. Using a pergola in this way is a simple way to break up a large outdoor space. Additional elements, such as the fire pit and a variety of colorful patio furniture, add to the charm of this outdoor living space. 19. Space things out. There's no set width for the ceiling elements in pergola designs. Landscaping can often help determine the final detailing. Here, full-grown shade trees offer shelter from the sun, so the pergola roof beams can be spaced further apart. The extra long overhang of the beams along with the wide openings make a real design statement. 20. Sit and stay a while. A pergola can offer shade for a large gathering space, even if it's not next to a house. Here, gently arched beams topped with 2x2s form the roof over this freestanding 8 by 8 foot deck. Lattice across the side railings add more interest. The curved backs of the chairs repeat the arch on the overhang, adding to the peaceful atmosphere. 21. Enhance with a pergola. Although pergolas are often stopping points in a landscape, they can also be used in transition areas. Here, a tall structure offers a waypoint on a path between the front yard and the backyard. Vines that wind up the pergola repeat in the trellis accents hung on the home's exterior wall. A pergola doesn't have to always be used for function, adding one for purely decorative reasons also works. 22. Find a small spot. A pergola doesn't have to be large or ornate to function as an outdoor design element. This small pergola design adds a decorative element to a corner of a deck. Outdoor lights mounted near the top of the pergola illuminate hanging baskets, making the area even more attractive as the sun goes down. 23. Setup contrasts. The contrast in color and texture between the white steel frame and the woven roof of this pergola is dramatic and fun. Another contrast happens in the pairing of the modern slat-front outdoor cabinets with the oversized vintage hanging lamps. The concept of pairing seeming opposites, whether that's color, texture, or style, never fails to add interest to a design, outside and indoors. We hope these incredible pretty pergola design ideas have sparked your creativity and inspired you to transform your own backyard into a dreamy retreat. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a small urban backyard, there's a perfect pergola living space waiting to be created. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.